Good morning, everybody. Welcome back. We'll be working on this today. I mean, it's already clean. It's not really dirty, but some places are. But this is painted concrete right here. Now, I did this 2 years ago, and I did use the surface cleaner on it. Turned way down. But I think we'll try something different this year. I don't think I'm gonna use the surface cleaner on this painted concrete. Try something a little different. Cause it's not that dirty actually. So there's a lot of stuff in the way. I'm just gonna have to work around it. I gotta get this back part done. It's out here at Meemaw's playground. Y'all remember that? Just gonna have to work around some stuff. She couldn't get everything moved. So we're just gonna have to work around it. Get this here knocked out. Like I said, all this is painted concrete. And I did use the surface cleaner on it 2 years ago. But not a lot of pressure. Just enough to make her spin. And didn't damage anything. But we're gonna try something different this time. Cause it's not that dirty. And yeah, we're gonna bleach all of it when we get done. All right. Water tank's filling up. So we can start it here in a minute. Hang in there. Okay, y'all, I just finished up here. I chose not to record all this because there's just way too many obstacles to get around with the pressure washing hose and all these lights everywhere. And it was just too much stuff to knock over, too much stuff to get around. So I started out recording, and then I decided that no, I'm not gonna do it. So it's gonna be a short video. I don't even think I took any before pictures. I did take a few after pictures, but anyway, this is the last of Meemaw's playground, with the exception of she wants me to come back. It's gonna be on top of the deal we had already, but right up here, yeah, right up there, y'all see that? You see that right there? Yeah, we're gonna come back and take care of that. Maybe in a week or two. Get some other stuff knocked out first, and we'll get back over here and we'll take care of that. But all the concrete's done. That back is painted concrete, so I just kind of swept it off with the ball valve real good and bleached it, pressure washed all the brick borders and all that, and I'm gonna put a lot of pressure on that paint, and then bleached all of it. Bleach ain't gonna hurt it. I done it 2 years ago. It's fine. Bleach is not gonna hurt the artificial grass back there. There's no live grass back there. That's why the algae's not so bad. The algae's not real bad back there because there's really nothing live back there. So the 1% bleach is not gonna hurt the artificial grass. Tested it last year, or 2 years ago. Didn't have no problem with it, so okay, that's that. Let's put our lid back on. We're all packed up, and we're gonna get out of here. Go get something to eat. Y'all have a good one.